Welcome all to Eat, Drink, and Explore with Cece. Today we are having something so warm and comforting, and it's a great make-ahead meal that you can make during the weekends. It's great for any family gatherings to do it, and this recipe comes from my sister, and her family absolutely love it, and they shared this dish with us at Christmas. So I thought I would share it with you guys because it's so easy to prepare, but it was simply delicious. So I am making my version of it, just doing a little bit of a tweak on one element of it. Hers was a broccoli stuffing, but I didn't get broccoli, frozen broccoli. What I did is I got a combination of a California mix, like broccoli, cauliflower, and some carrots, because you know me, I love some color, I like some different texture. So what you're going to need is a box of stovetop stuffing. It could be turkey, it could be chicken, anything. You need a half a cup of milk. You need a quarter cup of mayo. You can use low fat mayo, regular mayo, it's up to you. And you're going to need a cup of cheddar cheese. Now we're going to start with a cup of cheddar cheese, but then I'm also going to add some on the top for broiling. And then you're going to need a bag of, this is a 500 gram bag of frozen vegetables like I had shown you. So this is how easy it is. What you're going to do in a large bowl is you're going to pour in the milk. You're going to add in the mayo. So let me just get this in here. And you simply want to mix these in together, and then you're going to toss in the entire bag of stuffing. Toss that whole thing in. Oops, I didn't open that very well. Oh, and I've preheated the oven to, it's set at 350 Fahrenheit, so I'm preheating the oven for that. You can smell the seasonings in there, so nice. And then just mix it, get it nice and coated. See here? Just want to get that nice and coated. And the trick is you want to use the frozen vegetable, because that liquid that's on the vegetable is going to melt into. I've been challenged from being a little bit under the weather, so apologize for my froggy voice. And then just pop that in. Just gonna mix this around. See how simple it is? And I'm telling you, the kids love it. You get them to eat vegetables with the stuffing, and then put in the cheese. I put half the cheese in, mix it around. Now, what I love about this recipe that she gave me is that it is a very versatile. You can double it. So everything that I just did, double it, and makes a huge tray. So let's get that in there again. And that's it. That's how simple it is. You don't have to put salt in it. You don't have to put pepper in it. That is all part of the seasoning of your stuffing. All right, so let me go get a baking tray. Okay, so I decided to put it in this one. And so you want to get your pan ready. You just want to grease it. I'm just spraying it. This just helps with cleanup later, and also removing it out of the dish. And then we simply just scoop in into the dish. That's it, so simple. I like to use a smaller, you could have put it in a larger baking dish, but I like the smaller one because I want the density, the height. So this goes in the oven for 30 minutes. At 350 Fahrenheit. And what I want to do is I'm going to add in a little bit more of cheese on the top. You don't have to do this. Follow that recipe to the letter, but we love cheese here, so make it a little bit cheesier. And this is a double cheddar mix. I love the mixture of white and orange cheddar. Okay. So let's put this in the oven for 30 minutes. So there you have it, folks, a beautiful broccoli stuffing casserole with some cheddar cheese on top. It looks so good. It was so easy to make, and I added the extra cheese on top so that you could see how yummy that looks. So let's give this a try. All right, so let's cut out a piece. I always find my handy dandy fish spatula is excellent for this type of work. There you go. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look divine? You can't go wrong with this dish. It was so simple to make. All right, let's give this a try. Just doesn't this look so good? And this is a crowd pleaser, and the kids absolutely love this, and even adults as well. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. All right, let me just get this bite. Perfect. The vegetables are not overcooked. They have that al dente crunch to it. Perfect. So cozy. So inviting. Look at that. Veggies. Oh, fabulous. So there you have it, folks. A beautiful broccoli stuffing casserole with some cheddar cheese. Makes all family members happy when eating this. So there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. A beautiful broccoli stuffing casserole that's so easy to make. It's a great meal prep that can be done ahead of time, and it is budget friendly. It's vegetarian friendly. You can have this any day of the week, whether it's a holiday dish or whether it's on an everyday weeknight. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Greatly appreciated. If you're a returning champion, thank you so much for showing your love and support. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always greatly appreciating everybody that's watching us. If you have not yet subscribed or hit that like button, go ahead and do that now. We really love for you to do that. That will help us out tremendously. Once again, thanks for joining. Have a fabulous day. Ciao for now.